Story Nest.
Oh, okay. I will generate a series of high-definition 16:1080p 3D 60 FPS animation-style images depicting Daisy the dolphin with her smooth gray skin and playful smile, leaping alongside Finn the frog, a bright green amphibian with wide, curious eyes, as they navigate a winding river where the water shimmers with all the colors of the rainbow. Friendly, cartoonish fish of various shapes and sizes swim alongside them, and large, glowing lily pads dot the water's surface. The overall style will be cheerful and vibrant, suitable for a children's story. Daisy dipped her sleek nose into the swirling indigo current, a giggle bubbling up as a school of tiny sparkling fish tickled her whiskers, while Finn, with a mighty leap, landed squarely on a sunny yellow patch of water, his long tongue darting out to catch a stray raindrop. As they rounded a bend where the river flowed a vibrant green, a wise old turtle with a shell covered in blooming flowers floated by, offering them a ride on his mossy back, which they gratefully accepted, enjoying the gentle sway. Suddenly, the river opened into a wide, sparkling lake where giant, luminous lily pads glowed with soft light, and playful otter families tumbled and splashed, inviting Daisy and Finn to join their joyful games of chase. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, Daisy and Finn found themselves on a lily pad that gently floated towards a hidden cove where fireflies blinked like tiny stars, and the soothing sounds of the Rainbow River lulled them to sleep after their wonderful adventure.